Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about how to write fast code or Python using VS Code. First of all, let's create the folder. This folder, let's call it Python project. Python projects for beginners. Okay, so first of all, we need to open this one using Git. This is Windows 11. That's why you don't see everything. So for Windows 11, you go show more options, and you open this with Git bash. Okay, when you open it like this, you say code, because you want to open this within the VS Code. And then let me start. You say code space, then dot, then you hit enter key, and it has come. Let me start and launch it. And here it is. Now this project, it is global, and when it is global means every code you write, it is going to hardware, and it is going to be so global. So to make it contained in a particular environment, we are going to create its virtual environment. And how do we create a virtual environment? We come to terminal and new terminal. This terminal, I don't want to use this terminal which is default. I want to use the Git bash also. Yeah, and for me to work, I just say Python. Now this is, I'm creating virtual environment -m v virtual env. That means virtual environment, and my name of virtual environment, I just call it env. When I hit enter, this method is going to create virtual environment. Remember, in Python, in PyCharm, we never created this. It was already created by the IDL itself. So the Python, the VS Code, it is making you do practical work. Now let's now activate this env, and we do that by saying source env. The env is this name of our environment, then /script, then /scripts, and we do activate. For those who are new here, I have Django project development website in my tutorial. You can check the one that is not for beginners, and it is explaining everything about this line here. So if you are very new, you can go there and check everything. It is clear. But for now, I just tell you everything you need to do. Source env is a virtual environment. Script is the script where this environment is going to found, And this script, within the script, there is activate, there is also deactivate. So we take activate to activate our virtual environment, and then we hit the enter key, and you see now our environment is here activated. Okay, now we are done with our virtual environment. What is remaining is now to write the code. And how do we write the code? We write the code by first of all creating a file, and the file we just call it main.py. This is Python file, and we just say print, and what I'm going to print is the same case. In the parentheses we print hello world, and then we hit the enter key. No, we don't hit. This is not the way. We run. Remember what we did in PyCharm? We just come here and run. And see, hello world is running here in the terminal. So even go bash here, it is executed. It is being out of the way. It is being out of the way because this is another environment which is going to run these things. Okay, so this Py is not going to be using this environment, so we just use this environment, and we can also run the file in dedicated terminal. So that is how it is. Okay, so now you choose which one you want. If you choose this one, it's okay. You see they are producing the same results as in the other one. So these are lines, character, user death, blah 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 blah, security error, process. These are not there when we were using the PyCharm. Why? Because PyCharm has got these, all of them within the one. So when you see this, you see that we are in users, which is shallow, and is desktop, which is it is going to be found in a Python project for beginners, and it is within the env and a script, then Python, and then you get what? Hello world. So that is how we do it, and when we meet next time, we shall choose which one to go. Okay, meet you then, and thank you.